Our alkaline soup today is made from green boro bananas, chayote, red onion, spring onion, callaloo, Jamaican pumpkin, the green one, and coconut milk made from scratch. So I put about a litre of water in there, and now I'm gonna put some thyme inside of there right now. Milk. I'm gonna strain it now on a cheesecloth. So I've got the coconut milk now. So now I'm gonna add the banana, the 𝐥𝐤𝐤, and the pumpkin to the seasoned water. And the reason why I'm doing this so that I can soften these. I'm gonna take a few out afterwards, and I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna take, let's say, 1/4 or a bit more than 1/4 of the produce inside of here and put it into the blender and blend it with some more onions and more seasonings, a little bit more sea salt, just a bit more of the seasoning that you put in here, and add water inside here as well. I still put the coconut milk in there, okay, and always taste it. Taste the liquid as you go to make sure that it's tasting correct. Now we're doing this just to thicken the soup a bit. I don't like my soup watery, you know. I like the liquid in it to be a bit, you know, thicker than this. And you can also put some mushrooms in there as well if you want. I don't like my soup too hot, so I'm gonna add this. Actually no, I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna put this in the blender as well. So I've just poured all the coconut milk in there, and I've put, let's say, 1/4 or a bit more of what was in here into the blender. And we're gonna blend it now and then pour that straight into the pot. The reason why it's green is because I've put the callaloo in there. I put a bit of spring onions in there when I blended it as well. So it's green because of the callaloo though, 100%. We're just gonna leave that now to just cool down, and it's done. And that's that, brothers and sisters. Beautiful, electrical, nutritious, and delicious. Please subscribe to our monthly subscription page, where you will have exclusive access to never seen before recipe videos, past and present workshops, podcasts, and much more. Content will be uploaded to the members only page every 2 weeks, accessible only to those who have subscribed to the People's Package. Subscribe and become a member today at eat2live.notodie.com. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, ETL NTD. Love.